Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Can I Draw You? Hear what? I hope you enjoy the program so far. I hope you enjoying it to the T, following the whole journey, you understand? I have a surprise for you guys, and hear what? I want to follow this. We're going to a special place, an iconic place in Jamaica. And hear what? I'm going guys, we are at the location right now of the home of the person I was telling you guys about, the veteran. Now guys, I want you to just stay tuned and we're going to meet her now. She's inside. I think her son went to get her.
Yes, yeah.
And so just follow me as
let me reach it out. I'm just reach.
Good evening.
Hold on. You want to talk to him? Oh, yeah, man. In there.
her some space.
Here dia tu dia.
You're a day. Alright guys, so we are on the location, the iconic location. It is Port Royal, and we are here with our very special guest today. We are here with Miss Nora Golson. Guys, she's still beautiful. You understand? Miss Nora, can you tell us how old are you now?
I'm 91, the 22nd of December gone.
The 22nd of December?
November gone.
You're 9 December. Okay.
I was 91.
You're 91. Wow. Guys, and she's still strong. Can you believe it? She's 91 years old. December, she said last year. And your grandchildren celebrate something for you, don't they? Give you a big birthday bash.
Yes, yes.
Give you a big birthday bash.
Yes, as usual.
As usual, it's a yearly thing for you. Celebrate your life. Alright, so the whole aim of my journey coming here is to get some information from you regarding to your culture, what your life was, and incorporating art with it, right? So as you sit here and tell us about yourself and what you have been through and what you're doing now, at the end of the session, you will get a drawing, right? Because I'm an artist, a vlogger, and with the YouTube as well. And I just want to see and know what the culture entails, and the best person to get it from is those who have experienced the past. You understand? So Miss Nora, where were you born though?
Jubilee.
You were born at Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
Yes.
And where's that located?
Okay.
Where's Jubilee Hospital?
Up in town, you know.
In town?
Where the street the name now? The hospital. In town.
Okay.
In town of born.
Okay, okay.
Jubilee.
Okay, very, very nice.
Jubilee is that way. Which street name again? With public on the other side.
Okay, okay, okay. That's up like North Street. Right,
North
Jack?
Street,
Yeah,
yes.
around that area.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. And growing up, what was it like growing up as a young girl in Port? You grew up in Port Royal, right?
Yes.
What was it like?
Well, I enjoy it, you know.
You enjoyed it?
Yes. Or I go to school.
Mm-hmm.
Or when I'm done with school. My auntie was a dressmaker. And I used to sit and sew with her.
Okay.
And after she left. She went away, she left.
Mm-hmm.
To get work.
Mm-hmm.
Over the training school there. Now, those days was the army.
Mm-hmm.
You could get different jobs there. You get work there.
Okay. At
And
that
after the
time.
army dismissed from Port Royal,
Mm-hmm.
the police take over there.
Okay.
So I get a job over there.
Okay.
So I work with the police for 32 years.
32 years.
Mhm.
Wow. And that was a steady income for you.
Yes, it was steady income and it's there I retire from.
Oh,
You then go to Chicken Park.
okay. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Alright. We have pause. So what was it like in terms of experience working with the police at the time?
I enjoy it.
Enjoyed it?
Yes, I do. I still have friends there that
Mhm.
come and look for me sometimes.
Okay. And that was basically your first official job?
Yes,
Oh,
retire now.
retired.
On pension.
Okay. Okay, nice, nice. And while still on topic of the growing up, but in terms of doing artistic stuff at school, you did any drawing, any painting? What was art for you at the time?
Well, I didn't much drawing.
Yeah.
after I was to leave school, they might be there as a monitor for 2 years. And I did work with the junior, the junior class.
Okay. Okay. And I want to ask this question because I know you have been here for a while, and I must celebrate that. And what was Jamaica like before we got independence? What was the country like? What was going on at that time?
It wasn't rough, you know. It wasn't rough. It was that's good running thing, you know.
At that time. In terms of who was controlling Jamaica before we got independence?
I don't remember, you know.
Okay.
That is what fear beat me. I don't have any memory.
Okay, I don't remember that. That's fine. And like I want you to tell, I know you have a lot of grandchildren and children. You mind sharing how many of them you have?
Yes, I have 3 children. 1 girl and 2 boys.
1 girl, 2 boys, and
Yes.
how many grandchildren?
Grandchildren now have 6, have 7 grandsons. Grandson.
Okay.
7 grandsons.
Okay.
And a great grand.
And this question, we're in a more modern day, and what was Christmas like for you? If you had celebrated Christmas, what was it?
Christmas was quite nice. Nice up and down for the dance and
Okay. And you celebrated Grand Market and those stuff?
yes, man. I live and enjoy my life.
Okay. So like things like Christmas dinner that we celebrate now, how do you prepare for that? What was your preparation for like those festivities?
I don't make, everybody's big people now. I don't make Christmas for them. And it come, you know?
Yeah.
They everybody get big.
Okay, nice. And I like, based on my background, and I know that parables was one of those things that the older folks used to communicate. What are some of the parables that you used back in the day?
Memory beating.
Okay.
Memory is most of the problem.
Okay. And you're a avid church goer. You attend church.
Yes, man, I go to church.
Yeah.
It just seems lately here. And I have a go to doctor and thing, circulation, but sometimes I don't go to church.
Okay. So what was when going to church when you were younger? What was your role or responsibility?
I tell you, I used to be at the Sunday school. When I go up and come up and turn big, develop now too. That was a part of the church committee.
Okay.
The care for and give up.
Okay.
Look about
Yes.
old people and look about the church.
Okay, that's nice. So you were a minister at the time, like in terms of helping, you're a good help.
Oh yes, I was a good help at the church.
Okay. That's very nice. Now, what advice would you give us, the younger generation moving on? What would you tell us to have a good life in terms of being productive? What would you tell us? Leave something very positive with us.
Young people different now, you know.
Yeah, so we want your advice. You're more experienced than us, and we would like your advice for us.
Try don't get into trouble, worries and or things and time change.
You used to sell curry goat?
Yes,
Where?
right here.
Right here? So people just stop by and
No,
buy?
I did break my hand and I had to stop, you know.
Oh. So that slowed down the business.
Yes. And people still come in here, come ask the bird, you know.
No, some of them. Some.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Our mother, this is she.
Hold on, go again.
Our mother,
Mm-hmm.
brother,
Mm-hmm.
sister.
Okay.
This is she.
Oh. Hold on, I'm zoom in. Alright. Alright.
Say, I bless, mommy bless. I God bless you, mommy. You are blessed, you know.
Yes,
You're a blessed
true.
lady.
True, true.
Yeah, man, and you pass the blessing to your children, you know.
Yes, true, true.
Yeah, man, because your daughter is a blessed lady, you know, she kind.
Yes.
Very, very kind.
I have a nice son too, but he's in the States.
Oh, you have a son in the States?
He's 2 boys and a girl.
Oh, yeah, I remember you told me
Yes.
earlier. Okay.
And the one that come out here is a grandson, you know. Tall one that come out and talk.
Oh, it's a grandson?
Grandson.
Oh, wow. Okay.
He live here with me, you know.
Oh, he helped take care of you?
Still here, yes. Him travel to go out, work with domestic people, them, go abroad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, but for a 90-year-old, you're very agile, man. You're strong. You see, you're walking by yourself and things. Very strong. So you still make your own coffee, or they make it for you?
Coffee?
Yeah, you don't drink coffee.
When I ready to get it, I get it for cook myself.
You make your own coffee.
Yeah, cook too.
And you cook? Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, but no, you're still a cook.
Yes, and then tell me every time I go in the kitchen, so just stop cooking, mama.
No matter if you stop cook.
Yes.
I'm not tell if you stop cook one. You know, so where you come, you cook? You cook for me? You cook early.
I didn't know it was earlier that somebody come in, but I didn't know the system and what, you know.
Oh. Next time when we come, man, we can cook and we will stay for dinner. Don't you? Some parts of the cooking we can pause until you see.
We are you, big up somebody, big up the people. Them.
Yeah. Oh, big up the long life people in Port Royal, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, prosperity fall upon us.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's just sickness gets we out, and I'm going to make it be known that Port Royal is the only place right now in Jamaica that don't have the virus. You see me? Because we're protected by the salt here. I don't know why the government keep the people them away from the beach, and I think that's a wrong move. Yeah, you know, people supposed to go and see, go swim, man, because salt water kill germs.
Not true.
So, free up the beach, man.
Not true.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Respect, man. Blessing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, go through again.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this lady is so strong. That blessing poor that she still cook her own food. You know, she do her rice and peas, and brown stew chicken, French fried chicken. Yeah, she known as the #1 lady in Port Royal, curry goat. Yeah, everybody come from east, west, north and south for this lady curry goat. You know, So I think that blessing, you know, fall even upon me because I am a chef in America.
Oh.
So it come down through the generation.
Mm.
You see me? So it's a blessing.
So she better than Gloria's?
Well, and I go compare the fish with the curry goat, you know, and the rice and peas and chicken, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gloria's is #1 with the fish, and I'm not going to take that from Gloria's.
Yeah.
You know. But I think she's the #1 lady with the curry goat.
Alright then.
You know. So everybody have them own, you know.
Them niche.
Yeah.
Alright.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So it's a blessing.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So respect again to this lady, still 91 going good.
This portrait done of you. Ah, it's the first time? Alright. Okay. This is us saying that we honor you. We honor your life in itself, you understand, and you say you were a member of certain committee where you worked with the police officers. So you're a very helpful citizen, you understand, and you feed the community as well. You understand? So this is my way of telling you thanks. You understand? It's my way. And I have a surprise for you as well.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I have a surprise for you. I'll soon send Jordan for that surprise in the vehicle over there. And we're gonna give it to you, understand? Yeah, man. Gonna give you a nice surprise. Alright, so just getting some editing, some little finishing touch here. And then we're going to show you your drawing. Alright, so guys, Kevin, you need to get this, you know. Jordan, put my charcoal for me, please. In a container. Tell me, Kevin, for the shot. You ready for your shot? Yeah, but me look retarded, I give you ladies something.
No, that's what I shoot from early.
Alright. Alright, so guys, take a look at the beautiful drawing. Alright, so I'm gonna present her drawing now. So this is you. So this is your portrait. Alright?
Yes.
Yeah, man, so we're gonna let him get a picture of it. Come get a close-up shot of the portrait now, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. You wanna hold it for him? Can you hold it? Hold it, let him get a nice little shot of it.
Alright, how she feel about it?
How do you feel about the portrait?
Nice.
You like it? It's nice? And you say it's the first you're getting something like this?
Yeah. Nice.
Yes.
Alright.
Frame up, you know?
You're gonna frame it fair?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Frame. Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
man.
Alright, guys, on behalf of Tyrone's, my friend here, that I will get her a gift and I'll give her something. Now, guys, this is a token of appreciation for somebody at this age. You understand? Somebody that has contributed to the society and her ability to participate in our project here. So, Nora, on behalf of Tyrone Studio, I'd like to present you with a little token of appreciation. Alright? And thank you very much. Thank you very much for participating in our project. You understand? Okay.
First ever have this, you know?
Your first ever have
Yeah,
something
yes,
like this.
yes.
Alright. We appreciate you a lot, and so we give you this, alright?
Yes.
And we wish you many more years and
Yes.
continue to cook,
Yes,
continue to spread the joy and the love towards your children and
Alright.
community, alright? Now, alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys learned something very, very, very important from this exposure here. And guys, me I tell you, at first me I come over Port Royal, you know, from the time I live in Jamaica. I know say at first someone now come because of the whole exposition. You understand? And I want you guys to send out this program and type in the comment section, let me know how you feel about what you have learned from this whole experiment, this whole carrying the art to the older folks and getting information from them and pulling from them and see what they have now and what we can learn from it. So hear what? I want to know. Subscribe to the channel, man, and like the video and share it. 1, 2, 3, and hear what? I'm out. See you in the next video.